model, 2005 Nissan Navara 2.5 Di Navara AVENTUR double cab LTR4X4 full MOT ready to drive away. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 224160. MOT, the 17th of December 2025. Engine, 2488 cc 2.5 TD. Transmission, 6-speed manual 4x4. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.